All right, so I'm back again, and we're actually here at JFK in New York City, flying out to Oslo, Norway, and I'm actually flying a new airline today, Norse Atlantic Airways, which is a promising airline. Well, it was until today, but they're a budget airline flying from Norway to Los Angeles, Fort Lauderdale, London Gatwick, New York City, obviously JFK, and we're stuck here at New York City with a 1 hour delay so far. And I think I'm going to miss my flight, my connection in Oslo, Norway. So if you're going to be booking on this airline right now, I'm telling you guys, definitely have a longer layover, at least like a 6-hour cushion layover if you're flying into Europe, because you know you got to go through customs. But for this video, we're going to go over the food, the seating arrangements, hopefully, you know, if I make it on this flight, so let's see what happens. All right, so we made it on the plane. We're supposed to be boarding at 10:45. It's 11:56 right now. Group 4 is boarding right now out of 6 groups, so hopefully, you know, we'll get out soon. I think we're going to arrive at 12:15 p.m. It says total time is gonna be 6 hours, and did not get the window seat. So this is how much space. This is how much space we have. It's pretty tight. I'm telling you right now, I'm 5'8", 68 inches, 172 centimeters for all my Europeans and everyone out there. The seats, they seem fairly comfortable, a lot better than, you know, Norwegian Airline. I mean, a lot better than Spirit Airlines for all my Americans. The seats recline for flight entertainment. Movies are fairly, you know, new. King Richard, Marry Me, you know, The Fallout. If you know you're trying to fall out in life, you know, fall out, you know, from a love story. TV. You got My Flight. Alright, so this is the bathroom, pretty normal, but you do have a hands-free toilet. Alright, so I made it to Prague. We're at the airport right now, about to take the bus, the train, and the tram to my hostel, but I will have to say that Norse Atlantic Airways, not a bad job actually. We arrived on time actually, despite of the hour delay, and the chicken and rice for the meal, is it worth it $20? Depends how you feel, but it was pretty good. But with that being said, we're going to head to the hostel now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.